Hi, my name is Fraser, and welcome to Graphic Card Repairs. This is a RTX 3070, and the customer was complaining of artifacts. Now, this card was dropped, so my assumption is that we have broken pads. So, if let's take a look at how we can go ahead and fix broken pads under the memory. So, this video is about fixing broken pads. So let's take a look. So now we have A1, A0, and B1, which is faulty. A1, A0, and B1. So we will lift all the memory modules and take a look underneath. So let's proceed with the repair. Let's lift all these memories one by one. And let's see how many broken pads we have underneath these memory modules. So let's start. Okay, let's take a look under the microscope. Okay, I already see one broken pad on A0. A1 looks to be good. There's nothing on A1. A0, there's one broken pad. That's the one right at the bottom. And on B1, we have two broken pads at the top, one down, which is a no connect. So we're not going to bother about the no connect, but the ones that are at the top, we are going to fix it. Let's take a look at the memory. I already see broken pads, so this memory is not usable, so I might have to throw it in the bin. We already have too many broken pads here. Let's take a look at this one. This one looks to be okay, so probably I can reuse this one, just reball and reuse. This one looks to be fine. Let's take a look at the next one. Okay, so this one is also not usable, broken pads again. So I'm just going to throw this in the bin. Let's start our repair work of the pads, the ones that are broken on the motherboard. So let's go ahead with it. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you. Have a good day. Cheers.